Sa school, ang kadalasang tinuturo sa atin ay mag-aral ka muna bago mo i-apply ito. Kaya nga, nagle-lecture muna kadalasan bago tayo nagkakaroon ng exams or lab activities. But now na graduate na ako, I realize na when it comes to skills, mapa Photoshop man yan, video editing, or basketball, I think the opposite is better. For example, for me, nung nag-aaral pala ako mag-photo editing, video editing, ang gawain ko nun is manood ng mga tutorials sa YouTube ng kahit anumang dumaan sa feed ko. And I think napakalaki niyang pagkakamali kasi hindi naman lahat na napapanood ko dun magagamit ko. Hindi naman lahat ng features or tools ni Photoshop or Premiere Pro gagamitin ko sa mga pangangailangan ko. And that's when I realized na it's better to act first, get stuck on something, and then dun mo aralin kung saan ka ba na-stuck. That way, mas more efficient mong magagamit yung oras mo. Same with basketball, for example. Kung sentro naman yung laruan mo, di ba, ang priority mo kung nagsisimula ka pa lang is to learn how to rebound, paano mag-box out, paano pumoste, and less about how to bring the ball to the other side of the court na kadalasan, gwardiya ang gumagawa. So in short, hindi mo naman kasi talaga kailangan na maging ready palagi bago ka magsimula. It's actually better to start first, then learn along the way ano ba yung mga kailangan mo talaga, and then dun ka mag-aral. So if you want more tips like this that school doesn't teach you, follow me for more.